How does a company go from startup to global financial powerhouse in under a decade? What secret ingredient allows them to compete with established giants and continually expand their reach? Today, we're peeling back the layers on Airwallex to uncover its core competitive advantage, the very thing that sets it apart in the increasingly crowded world of global finance. Forget the traditional banks, the clunky interfaces, and the exorbitant fees. Airwallex didn't just enter the market, it redefined a significant chunk of it. Their competitive edge isn't a single feature, but a powerful confluence of three interconnected pillars: its proprietary global financial infrastructure, its borderless account and payment network, and its relentless focus on developer-first solutions. Let's dive into that first pillar, the proprietary global financial infrastructure. Think of it as a meticulously engineered nervous system for money, built from the ground up by Airwallex. Unlike many fintechs that rely on a patchwork of legacy banking partners, Airwallex invested heavily in building its own direct connections to local payment rails and banking systems across the globe. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about control. By owning this infrastructure, Airwallex can offer significantly faster, more reliable, and ultimately, cheaper cross-border transactions. They cut out multiple intermediaries, reducing friction, delays, and the opaque fees that often plague international payments. This direct approach allows them to adapt quickly to regulatory changes and market demands, giving them an agility that older, more entrenched institutions simply can't match. This robust infrastructure directly feeds into the second pillar, their borderless account and payment network. Imagine being able to open local currency accounts in dozens of countries, collect payments as if you were a local entity, and pay out in the recipient's preferred currency, all from a single platform. That's the power of Airwallex. For businesses operating internationally, this is a game changer. It eliminates the need for multiple banking relationships, simplifies reconciliation, and significantly reduces foreign exchange exposure. For an e-commerce business selling globally, for instance, they can receive payments in USD, Euro, GBP, AUD, and many other currencies directly into their Airwallex account, then seamlessly convert and disperse funds to suppliers or employees worldwide. This isn't just a convenience, it's a strategic advantage that allows businesses to expand into new markets with unprecedented ease and cost-effectiveness. Finally, and perhaps most crucially for the future of finance, is Airwallex's commitment to developer-first solutions. They understand that modern businesses, especially those scaling rapidly, need more than just a user-friendly interface. They need programmable financial tools that can integrate seamlessly into their existing workflows and applications. Airwallex offers a comprehensive suite of APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow businesses to automate everything from currency conversions and payments to payouts and treasury management. This means businesses can build custom financial solutions tailored to their unique needs, embed payment capabilities directly into their platforms, and streamline complex financial operations. This developer-centric approach fosters innovation, empowers businesses to move faster, and essentially turns financial operations from a cost center into a strategic enabler. In essence, Airwallex's competitive advantage lies in its ability to offer a truly global, unified, and highly programmable financial operating system. They've democratized access to sophisticated cross-border financial capabilities, previously only available to large corporations with dedicated treasury teams. By building their own infrastructure, offering a truly borderless experience, and empowering developers, Airwallex isn't just competing, they're building the future of global finance for businesses of all sizes. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.